Hello to whoever's watching this video. This is me and my mate's first YouTube video. Me and my mate, we actually saved up $1,000 in coins. We realized we could buy a working car, so we went and bought this car for $1,000. So here we are with this yellow beast, a 2002 CE Lancer. We don't have much mechanical knowledge, but we're definitely going to be documenting most of what we do to the car just for fun. If you have any suggestions for mods or anything we should do to the car, definitely leave it in the comments. So grab a munch, sit back and enjoy the video.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Here we have the banana. $1,000
shitbox banana mobile. Here she is in all her beauty.
We've tried some compound on here.
Yeah, we tried some compound. Oh my god, wait, come here. Look. We cleaned the headlights a bit.
Clean the headlights. We might put a photo or an image of what it used to look like. It's the whip.
Now we're gonna go to the time lapse.
Gonna go to time lapse of polishing. Holy shit. This guy's fucking standing at a washing machine.
Leave it, now.
This is what it looks like. This is what it was before. You come over to here, it's much deeper. This needs to be tackled ASAP. Dried clear coat or something?
Tried to come.
Baba booey. So just for a bit of context here, we roughly just scuffed up the grill and then repainted it with some random house paint we got from Bunnings. And then we took out the pillars because they were grey and we repainted them black just to suit the interior.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
That looks actually sick.
That's
Oh my
so
god,
good.
it looks so dark.
Then come around to the inside. So it just matches the interior, the front. We'll eventually paint this, hopefully, and figure out a way to do that one and that one back there. Are you happy with it? Steering wheel cover. Need a new shift knob because this is just
That's next
falls apart. Shit, what the fuck? Hang on. So this is our first test drive in the car.
Hell yeah.
A little bit nervous, can't lie. Okay, so far all's going so good. Nothing's happened.
We're just gonna check the engine real quick.
Nothing seems to be wrong with it. Good as new. It's smoking. Oh, and it's smoking. That cannot be a good sign.
Or is that normal, or is it just because it's heating up for the first time in a while? Because it hasn't been
Maybe.
heated in a while. Do you want to go give it a wash?
We can go give it a wash.
Go give it a wash. If it conks out...
Drives well. We went all the way to the wash station, but we forgot money, which is a really important thing. Do you hear that?
Right, so the clutch is a bit...